Okay, Joka,
Yeah.
we're live, my friend. So you want me to give you the Discord link so you can see my screen live with me? I'm gonna play some chill out music on the background. Okay. Can you hear my voice and hear the music as well, Joka?
Yep.
Yeah?
Yep.
Okay. Good. Let me just close all my tabs out here. I'm messy over here. Alright. We'll keep the Okay, I think it's set up. So, welcome everybody. My name is Andre. You're watching 19cvd.com, and I'm here with Joka. Is on the other side, on the microphone, on the other side of London, and we are streaming together this big launch of Groovefunnels suite of softwares. And we are going to have a live building of a funnel, actually of a lead magnet. So in this moment we require to, in our business, to have a lead magnet in which we give some value to our potential leads in exchange for their email address, and as well on the thank you page we want to upsell them something. So this is what we're going to work on tonight. We're gonna check some of the Groovefunnels templates, and yeah, we'll see how it goes. So, Joka, would you like me again? You want me to give you the link, or shall we change the call from Messenger to Discord? I think that's much better.
Wherever suits you, but the problem with Messenger, I can barely hear anything because of the music though.
Ah, you can barely hear anything. Okay, so I will lower the music a little bit more. And as well, OBS is requiring me to do an update, so I don't know if I will do it now. Let me check. Can you check the stream on YouTube if it's on? Or actually, like, I think you can check it on YouTube. See if you have any delay. I don't think I set up any delay. I'm calling you on Discord.
Yep.
Can you hear me now?
Yeah.
Okay. So let me just share a screen with you so you can see the workflow with me and suggest whatever you think you might suggest. Okay. So we are inside the Groovefunnels dashboard. As you can see on the main page, they have the 14-day Groovatron live, which they set up today, the 6th of October, to launch the software, move it from the beta station to the full released suite of softwares, and it will last for I believe 14 days until the 18th of October, when they are going to take off the lifetime offer, one-time payment lifetime offer, and then integrate the monthly recurring options for each of your softwares, depending on whatever you decide to use from their software. Okay, so as I said, we're going to have a tutorial on groove pages today in this video. Let's create a new site. So we're inside here. There are all my websites that I've created so far. This is a new account. I just signed up for the premium account because there's so many benefits about it, but you're gonna see them by yourselves. Okay, so here we can choose from the existing templates. You have single pages and complete websites, and as well as funnels, and these are my saved templates. So we're gonna start with the single page website because there's a lead generation. Actually, lead generation, it's funnel. Let's see if group book template, simple book one. Okay, so we want people to give us the email address in exchange for some value. So so we have to mark it on the first page, the value itself, and we need to have a email for collector connected to the same suite of software connected to Groovemail, which is going to capture the emails and as well sending them broadcast emails or automated sequences and tag and different software. We're gonna talk it in different video. Right now, let's come back to here, and I'm looking. This might look alright because it's an ebook landing page, so but I think it's a little bit longer. It's just selling a landing page of an ebook, so I'm not into that right now. I just want to give them a little bit of taste of what are they going to get, and they will give me the email in exchange. SEO training course landing, no. Free website webinar, no. As well as webinars are very, very good to market. People, they like free content. Start, store, construction, fashion shop, candidate, feminine, free online training event. This is again a lead gen. Maybe this could be one because it's a lead generation, but it's not Leadmagnet, so I cannot offer something lead generation. I think I will use the lead generation one for this purpose right now. Add this one, Groove Affiliate Leadmagnet. Okay, so this is what we are going to choose and name it 19cvd.com because this is the name of my website. It is going to be set up in a few hours by the main provider. Joka said the music might be a little bit higher, so let's try to lower it a little bit. Hopefully you could hear me until now. And
I'm not sure if the stutter is because of the Discord or not. Let me check the YouTube.
yeah, but in Discord you can hear it better. Maybe you couldn't hear me just because it was on Messenger. Okay, guys, so here we are. This should be the page that people get redirected from these channel videos I'm making. So there I'm gonna have only one link to my list. Yeah, there I'm gonna build a relationship with my existing members. So until then, I need to do this lead magnet situation in which the people, they are consent to give me the email. Yeah, okay, so let's read what is this about. Here you can have your logo and get instant access, get the Groove affiliate market kit, discover the secrets of being a top Groove affiliate and earn hefty commissions. This is very good. I might not change anything from this one. Download the free Groove affiliate marketing kit. Complete your details below now for instant access to the Groovefunnel marketing guide and chance to get up to 600 in commissions per sale. This is what I've been talking about. This might be a reason that people would want to give them their email. It's just because they might want to do the 600 in a commission from the premium pay from the group. Okay, and they can have an email address, name, and email. I don't think so. It's required to have so many details. Just the email, it's alright, and the first name. We've complied the strategy, some infos about the ebook. Are you new to affiliate marketing? Would like to have a source of passive income? Okay, in guiding you learn. So a few infos, and yeah, mostly that's it. So what I really have to do is change the copywriting so that the Groovefunnels is that easy. It has so many funnels and pages made exactly for what the audience is searching. So I was searching for a lead magnet. I found the lead magnet. What I'm doing, copyrights, and I'm putting, instead of your company, I'm just putting 19cvd.com 2020, actually 2019 2018, so when the company has been founded. Here we have some links from the social media. I'm gonna deal with that later because social media isn't finished for this channel. So let's see, let's go up. Practically the main important thing I have to do is make sure this contact form implemented in this page is connected to my own list. How am I going to do that? Let's see. So we're going again back to Groovefunnels. We'll be checking another software from the suite, which is Groovemail. And inside Groovemail dashboard we have some tools. Yeah, actually the main tool is the form creator. Yeah, we go to forms and we do a form, custom fields. I'm gonna talk about that later. It's so complex, different video special for that, but now it's just the forms. Here I have a form connected to the YouTube views which I get from YouTube, so I already made one. And now all I have to do is just get the code, copy the code, go back to my funnel, and instead of this, let's see how I can take, not this, take the last name. Let's take the last name off. I don't need that, as well as the text. We have to take it off. So simple drag and drop software. All you have to do is hover, you see the element, you click on the element, and they give you the options. They might see they have the hover. They will change that definitely so you can see them better, but maybe different color. And this is the copy, this is the delete, and this is moving up different. Okay, so we are back to first name and last name. But if I go here, I want to really copy I want to make another form inside. So we are going to have the elements, and then we scroll down until we see it's called custom field. Just a second. Input label code embed. Yeah, so we drag and drop the code embed wherever we can do, and we can put it here. And then we have a container out here in which we can put a code. We're gonna let it load, and then we're gonna implement the code that we just got from Groovemail. I'm clicking here, and here you can see the little gear icon, which is the settings. I'm gonna have the settings and paste in the code from Groovemail. Yeah, so very simple process. I'm gonna save it, and literally publish or save, and it should be just good to go. See, it converted itself into my form already posted. So let's see, let's publish, let's see how it looks. Let's see, 19cookably.com and host this website with us and publish. So I need to see the form. Oops. So okay, now it should be alright. Okay, so it isn't connected. Okay, it is connected. Okay, so what I have to do from this point, I will have to just delete this one, actually copy the text because I like the text, put it in my form, delete this form and move this one on that side. So let's get into it. Let's copy the text from the okay, I have it here. Actually, I don't have to copy. Okay, the text is not from the form, so I will not be able to implement it here. I would have to drag and drop, see if I can put it inside this, or I need to create a new container. Let's see. Again, I'm first time using the software as I record the videos, so we'll be working on it and daily will become better. So let's see. Okay, so something like this works. So if I put it here, my form is here, and then I can delete the other input. See, I can just literally delete this input now. Oops, not copy, delete them. Confirm. Also the text, delete. Confirm. Email. This is the text element. Delete. So, and the last, and mostly that's it. Let's save it and see how it looks on our brand new lead generation page, front page. Yeah, because the most work is in the thank you page where we upsell. Okay, so this is good. I'll get my form. So now I have two buttons, so I have to take the other button as well off. Forget about it, which is natively out there. Delete the other, save again. It's saved, refresh, and come on, it's still there. I just saved it, I didn't publish it, so you can't see it on the main website, so I have to publish it. It's published, and now we should get rid of the button. I don't know why it's a little bit loading hard, slow, but I'll check that as well. What we have to do now is because there we have a green button. My logo is this color, so we're gonna change this green button into this color and also implement the logo. So let's go back, click on the button and see the options. Yeah, so what we have to make the color first, so we go to the text, not text, background. Yeah, we go to the background, and we have a nice tool which, if you need it, I'm gonna message it in the comment section if you need it. It's called Color Pick Eyedropper. So what I do is just click on this software with this extension, Chrome extension, and click on this color because it's the same color, and copy the hash code and escape, so we can go out of the software and just go here, the color, and paste in the new color. Let's see how we can do this. It has a hash code, but okay, this is the one, and I'm pasting the new code, and okay, see, this is hovered, you can't see it so properly, so it's next to the, so straight away, okay, I think I can get this off. And the only difference is that this button is round and this button is more square, so we should go to the border itself. If you look here, we have a green button which lets us know that in this green button we've made some changes, or the button has been edited. Yeah, so I more than sure know that this is about the border. And the corners, see, there are 9,999 pixels rounded. So what I'm gonna do is just make it smaller. Yeah, I can't do it this way, I need to do it this way. It just gives me straight options, so I can't do it. I will just leave it not round but square. Yeah, and style, I don't know if we need to change this one. I don't have to change this one. And width. Let's see if what is changing. Oh, telling me the width. I don't want to change it. Actually, let's check the change itself. Okay, so it makes it a little bit bigger because this one is longer. So we'll do that. We'll make it 8 pixels. It's not so big, but that's alright. Okay, so I want this. Okay. As we can see, it has still a gray round around. So let's check this gray thing here. We can take it off. I think it's same border and the color. No, it's not this one. Or the global style. This I have to put some of my own. Spacing, size, shading. I still think it's about the corner. Okay, see? So now it's different. Now if I do it this way, so it changes me this corner. See, very small parts. But it's the same aspect. I have it too. And it keeps the aspect ratio, so it's the exact thing as this one. Okay. So for me in this case, if I cannot edit this button, it will be much easier to clone this button. So let's see if I can do that. Clone and put it instead, because this is the embedded code. I can't clone it. What I can do, yeah, I can do it. Yeah, so I think this is like a trick. So I'm going to the embedded code. I get the code again. I copy the code and I paste it again in this side. Again, go to elements and get the code embed. I will put it up here. I can't do it. Oops, see, I could do it here. And now it's going to be embedded. Not embedded. Putting the container. Now we have to embed it. And then I'm gonna delete the input forms and just remain with the button. I don't know if it's not a professional way of doing the things, but right now it is what it is with the Groovefunnels. It's just the beginning of the software, so a lot more features are going to be added, a lot more things that you can do. All right. Okay, so actually no, it wasn't a good idea because I still the button it's inside the container, so no, not a good idea. In this case, we're gonna go for the third option, which is go and put another button which might look closer to the design of the other one. Yeah, let's see. I don't know if it's my laptop. I believe it's my laptop. Little bit slow. Let's delete this. Confirm, as well as this. Okay, and as well as these. And I'm going back to elements and get a button, solid button with an icon or text link. No, just a simple solid button. And here I have a button place. And now I can start and adjust the button. So that's a simple HTML button, 4 squares, and now we have to go and just edit the button itself. Yeah, first configure link to, I can put a link. I don't want to put it right now. I want to go here. I want to go on size first and make the width in pixels and make it a little bit longer like that one is. Oops, a little bit too much. Again, my laptop feels a little bit slow at the moment. Maybe it needs a restart. Okay, I think this is maybe smaller one on that side. Yeah, that's enough. And now we have to go to the borders to make a little bit. I don't know these measurements, the dot 25 RAM. They used to do it in pixels. Why they do it now in RAMs? Anyways, let's go back to background. Again, we need the color, so very cool extension, very fast. All I have to do is just click wherever I want, and I'll have this. Copy the hash code, go on the button I want to change the color for. Okay, come on, click on the button. Okay, and then background, color, and I click this color. Oops. And then I go here, implement the code, and okay. Yeah, so for the moment I'm satisfied. I will keep it like that. All I have to change, see, they're a little bit, it's too much. I have to make a little bit corner borders, so I'm not satisfied with that. Oops. Okay, this. This is round. Maybe not this much. So just simple tweaks of some of the features. That's all you have to do with Groovefunnels. Maybe one more step. this yeah, I think it's alright for the moment. Let's save it and publish it. I shouldn't have published because I still have to change the logo. So logo, how do I change the logo? Configure, I click on the image and I go to configure and choose an image. Yeah, and I have some images out here. Groove Gurus, the project from 19 CVD, working with Groovefunnels. So now I have the picture, alt value, image alt. I put Groovefunnels, no, Groovefunnels, Leadmagnet, 1920.com. As more related words in the pictures of your website to your targeted keywords, the more SEO you are going to have. So Groovefunnels is SEO optimized as well. So in ClickFunnels, you cannot have change the image alt attribute value. Here you can do it. Okay, so the resolution for my logo is quite big. So let's see what we can do to make it smaller. But this is not the one I'm searching for. Oh, but let's go to the design and see how we can make it work. So not the resolution, the size of the picture is not well for what I need, but I'm trying to adjust it in the builder. So let's go to size and go to the width and say again pixels are relative to page. No, go on pixels and I'll go make it longer. I think this one is enough in the height. It's pixels. Okay, perfect. See what I'm talking about. So the app made my height as special for the size of the navigation bar. So now we have quite some nice looking lead magnet. What I think I should change is the spacing, not the spacing, the alineations. Let's see. So this text, this is middle. Yeah, maybe I need middle. I like this on the middle side. Yeah, little bit shaped, as well as get the groove marker, so we can align them with the logo. Yeah, so when I'm doing this, it's aligned with the logo. Yeah, so it looks much nicer. Yeah, I'm aligning the subtext as well, and voila, it's as good as it gets for 5 minutes of work. Again, publishing, and I have my logo, I have my button, I have my form. So the form is connected to the list, but this button is not connected to the list. So let's see what we can do with this button. Let's actually test this button. So okay, I have published. I'm refreshing this page. Now we can see the changes getting applied. I don't know about the form, why it's getting too long to get. Maybe I have to change the form as well. Maybe a little bit too long to load. Yeah, I don't have a video, and I as well don't like this dead space here. I have to put either a parallax image on the background, which if you scroll then it's more visible on this side and it makes it like a design, or I have to move this info on the other side and lower the page, which I think is going to be what I'm going to do. Now I want this little bit on the right side. I don't know let's go back. Let's copy these. This is a bullet point. So in order to copy, actually we have to make another one. So we're not going to copy the bullet points because it's more work to do. We're gonna copy these two texts out here. Yeah, so copy the subtext, go to elements, have a text headline, not the headline, sorry, because that's the subtext. So I'm putting headline 4 for this. And here I do not have any containers. So first I'll have to put a container. See the layout, a column. So let's see if I can add a column or I have to add a container. Okay, if I'm adding it here, maybe as much text as I input, it will align the text more down. So let's see, and now I'm adding the age 4 text, and it's here. So as simple as that. In order to write something, you need a paper. So you put the paper and then you put the text. It's as simple as it gets. And now I copy these, and so again my laptop is moving a little bit slow. And yep, and as I can see, the size is a little bit bigger on the other side. So I'm gonna adjust the size. This is not the size of the text. This is the size of the text. Okay, maybe it's this one, or maybe smaller. This one is. So by watching it, I could say that this one is. And now what I have to do is make some more alignments. Okay, this affiliate program, commissions, and maybe align it in the middle as well. Again, computer is running slow, not because the website is heavy and it requires a lot of processing power, but because the laptop, I'm trying to use the softwares as well and play the music and also stream, it makes problems for it. Okay, so I got this, and now I have to go another element, and I will keep the same container, so I will have these two texts in the same side. Yeah, so if I put in the same container, this means I can move these two texts around however I want. Yeah, and now I have to copy this and implement it here. And again, I have to work with the size, I believe. Let's check. I think it's not copied. They should have like an info, like on the cursor, like copied or something, so I can know if it's copied or not. See, now it's loading, so it's starting to work. Are you sure? No, cancel. What? It just made some duplications, so I have to take them off. I'm gonna just read it, write it, because I can see I can't do it. So it's with compile the strategies used by our top affiliates. And this, as you can see, we can adjust. That's a drop down menu. I can adjust the size of the text here, which is pretty nice. I don't have to go always there. And as well, bolding it. I think bolding I have to do it from here, from the drop down, bold. Come on. Joka, I can't wait for the computer to arrive. Okay, maybe a little bit bigger.
Connection's pretty bad, sadly, but
yeah. Okay, I think this is alright if we do this one as well. And as we can see, here we have less space on top than here. This is just a small adjustment of a function named spacing. Yeah, and actually more padding. Yeah, so we have in spacing, we have paddings and margins. Margins are the outside, paddings are the inside. And if we see here, we can make it a little bit more down so it can be aligned, and as well on the top. Exactly, that's what I was in need of. And here with useless space, which I have to take it off. Here another space as well. Yeah, that's enough. The space that we have. And yeah, this is it. And what we have to do here is just delete the other side so the bullet points can come on top. Or actually, I will click here and I will say go up. Did it went up? Maybe it's not that option and I thought it's this option. Okay, so we'll stick in this case to deleting the other elements. Okay, this element as well. And yep, and now what we can do is align this one on the middle. Yeah, and that's it. And maybe I will add some more info here just to make the space, but here it's not as I wanted, so I'm going back to padding, spacing, and the exterior I want a little bit more. Oops. Maybe this one is the most I can get, which is okay for the moment. So now it's published, and now if we refresh, okay, it comes. So here I think it has a little bit of parallax. I can see. Okay, it's because of that. But I don't know why it's loading so slow, the form. But I will work on it, and I will check it and find out. So for the moment it's all right for just an email. I say to them again, the Groove Affiliate Marketing Kit. So if you're watching this channel, I believe you are interested in marketing, and more than that, you are maybe interested in the Groove Funnel suite, which is going to be launched. So if you're interested, you can go on the description link below and leave your email on this funnel. Grab your Groove Affiliate Market Kit, which I'm going to send for you via email. Yeah, and yep, this is the step that it's done already, and I can see here it says button, so I have to change the button text and position. So text, no, configure actually, text, I put submit, and the design, I'm going back to design, and I'll put it in the middle, and that's mostly. And I really wanted to test if what is this button going to lead me through. So this button isn't sending me nowhere. Here if I put, I will get the list, and then I'll straight away go to the Groovefunnels website, which they are announcing the live. But I do not want this. I want another step in between this. So the process is done. Basically, if people, they give you their email, you give them something in return, and then you send them to the affiliate funnel. And the affiliate funnel is so powerful on the Groovefunnels suite of software that you more than sure earn some commissions in time. When they made the free account, it can take some time, and then they upgrade, and they are hard coded in the system from your affiliate links, so cookies are not involved anymore. Yeah, so in this case, as I said, I don't want to send them straight to the affiliate page, because I want to say something more. I want to have one more connection with them. So they gave me their email, I gave them something, we want some trust to each other, and now maybe I can upsell something on the thank you page. When I say upsell, I'm not talking about another affiliate. What I'm actually thinking of, upselling them another sign up, but this time not to an email list, but to a membership website with softwares and videos and trainings and so on, resources which you can use for Groovefunnels. So someone finds me on the internet, they see I'm working with Groovefunnels, they're going to the funnel, they get inside the funnel, they give me their email. In this time I want an email. I can then build an email, I can build a relationship via email, but I want to be a little bit stronger. So what I'm actually trying to do is, okay, some people, they're gonna give me their email, but some people they're going to watch a little bit more content on the thank you page, and they might as well make an account with Groove members. Yeah, so I do not have to market a free account to my website, because my website is new and nobody would need a free account on my website. But when I gave them something free and they sign up for that, then I know they are interested in this type of niche. And on the second time I have a connection with them on the thank you page, I would like to tell them that I can give them even more resources, even more video trainings which it will help them on their journey. Yeah, so it's a pretty nice way to make more than just a list, but more like a member in your community. Yeah, that member on your membership site, you can promote any products that you want, and as well any groups. You can have groups on Facebook and WhatsApp, and you can have your own community driven by your membership website. So membership website is very important. As well, I want to use this GIF. Can I Joker? Do you think I can take that one and use it on my funnels? It grabs attention, so I really, here it doesn't pop, but I guess because I'm running it on the preview, I will check for it. Maybe it pops and I can put it later on. So and after they sign up or they don't sign up, maybe they say I don't want, just take me to Groovefunnels, and I will send them to straight away to this page, to Groovefunnels. So this is the third step in the funnel. So I give them the first step, something free in return for the email, in exchange for the email address. Second page, maybe they want to sign up my exclusive community. If they get or not on the exclusive community, they are all going to be redirected on the Groovefunnel, and if they make their free account, yeah, they're gonna be bound to you for life. Yeah, so pretty nice affiliate program, pretty nice suite of softwares, and we are going to work as much as we can with them. The owners, Mike Forsane, I know for so many years in the internet marketing industry, and I can say they've built a lot of softwares, but I don't like when they build a lot of software. That means the quality of the softwares are low. That he used to do a lot of softwares in the past when the times were different. Now the times goes to this type of SaaS company. So the SaaS companies, they don't have a page builder and email, and that's it. Now the SaaS companies have to have all the softwares from Groovefunnels. Yeah, so they are starting this trend. Hopefully, a lot of other companies, they are going to join, and they are going to make some good job in helping us to pass this Corona situation outside, and start to earn some money on the internet. Yeah, some online income. So thank you very much, guys, for watching the video. This is the first part. I'm gonna do the second part in a different video about building the thank you page, and that would be the second step. So the first step is done. We have our landing page. We're gonna connect it to our private domain, custom domain, as soon as it's available from the hosting provider. So again, thank you very much, guys. If you liked the video, if you got value out of this video, please check out the like button, the subscribe, and the notifications. And as well as here on the screen, you can see right now all the playlists that I have. I have a special Groovefunnel playlist, so check it in the middle here, the Groovefunnel playlist, and we can see each other again later on. So thank you very much, bye bye, and good luck in your journey.